i35equipment.com. There's a Volvo EC300E LR, long reach, long arm, or long front excavator. It is 60 foot. Welcome you to come look it over for yourself. Bring your mechanic and operator. Hire some local ones to accompany if you like. We're open by appointment only, so give us a call, get on the calendar. Phone number here is 405-833-6437. Feel free to call with any questions. If you'd like a hauling quote, just fill out the form on our website, call, text, or email with your full delivery address. We'll share that address several local haulers and a nationwide broker. Get back with the best hauling rates comes back to us. As always, welcome you to arrange for your own freight or come pick it up for yourself if you're so equipped. Be a great machine to take straight to the job site, or if you have a bunch of ponds you want to clear out for yourself. Runs and operates excellent. Well serviced, has Volvo fluids, Volvo filters. As you can see, it is very well greased. Does have the Volvo diesel motor, but now great power. Dual exterior cameras, one on the right or starboard side, one on the rear. All working work lights, two on the back, and a amber beacon light. Also has the factory Volvo heated seat in it. Really nice on those cold days. And all the hand and safety rails. We specialize in consignment sales here, so if you're someone you know has idle heavy equipment, give us a call to learn more about our consignment sales service, or fill out the form on our website. If it happened to be of interest to you, we do have a thumb available for this machine. We also have quite a few different buckets available. He's going to fold it up so we can check out that arm real close. We want to show you there's no cracks or welds in the arm that we've seen at all, and yeah, just a super nice machine. Take a walk around. We'll do this one first, and we'll come back and look at the stick, arm and the stick. It does have lots of grease on it. You know, that's just a sign of someone who wanted to take care of it. For shipping, this arm or beam just flips down and pins up there to give it some support. All right, he's gonna go through, run it forward and backward. When he gets done, we'll go ahead and climb up, check out the motor, look in all the compartments, then lastly pop up in the operator station to take a look around. That reach is fantastic. If you're unfamiliar, it allows you not only to reach way out in a pond or way down in a hole, but also if you're working next to those ponds, you can get out there without getting bogged down in the mud. Because if you get right next to a pond that's still got good water in it, or it's pretty wet, you can get bogged down in that mud pretty easy. This machine does have the travel pedal, so if you need to get across the pasture or the job site, you just utilize one pedal instead of both the hand joysticks for moving. Just allows you to use that 1 foot pedal a little more convenient. It does have that bolt-on cutting edge I remember correctly, that's a 60-inch bucket. It's got some holes back here to allow water to come out. It's a circular brand, which is a real high quality built bucket. Now that's folded out, we'll go ahead and check out this stick as well. So you see all the working work lights. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the front. Undercarriage is in like new condition. Has not been moved around a lot, but has been sat and dug with. Before we hop up and check out the motor, let's check out inside this panel. See, it's all Volvo filters. Tough to do one-handed. I want to make sure you guys get a good view of everything. Mirror there. Real dry machine. Sounds to be running real good to my ear. There. Another camera mounted back here on the counterweight. Looks good. This is your pattern control selector, so no matter who's in the operator station, they can feel right at home, feel comfortable with the controls. Go ahead and zoom out to the fisheye lens. We may distort a little bit, but give you a good view of this interior when we get up here. It has the factory Volvo rubber floor mat, factory Volvo seat in it. Here's where you select the seat heater on or off. It's for your amber beacon. Good glass all the way around. Not seeing any breaks or issues. Working HVAC. And shut this since it's sprinkling outside. See your different camera views. There's off the side, off the rear. Dual travel speed selector. This is how you go through all your controls for the screen. It's your throttle and different options. Windshield wiper and radio. Keys back here. Also, it does have radio back there. Okay, let's see if I can remember how to change these. Okay, so now you're back to your home screen. The only issue is that I don't have my seatbelt on. HVAC's blowing good. Let's see if I can remember. Horn, there it is. Do appreciate you taking time to watch. If you have any questions, just give us a call. Phone number here is 405-833-6437. Again, here's an review of the different control patterns. And here, if you can see it, is a sticker showing you what all the different buttons on these joysticks would do. There's your travel pedal off to the left in case you don't want to use these for an extended period of time. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.